Welcome to SellerCenter channel. What's up everyone? If you've ever struggled with figuring out how to price your dropshipping products for maximum profit, this video is for you. Before we dive in, let me introduce a free tool that's going to make your life a whole lot easier, the Dropshipping Profit Calculator from SellerCenter. This free calculator helps you instantly figure out your selling price, profit margins, so you can focus on scaling your store instead of crunching numbers. You can check it out anytime at sellercenter.io. Dropshipping is simple. A customer buys from your store. You forward the order to your supplier. The supplier ships directly to the customer. Your profit is what's left after product cost, advertising, shipping cost, and platform fees. Beginners often see 10 to 30% profit margins, but experienced sellers can reach 40 to 60% when they price smart and work with good suppliers. To hit those higher margins, follow these key steps. Keycap 1. Start with large margins. If a product costs you $5, don't sell it for $10. Ads and fees will wipe out profits. Aim for at least $25 to $30 plus selling price on a $5 product. Keycap 2. Use smart pricing. Avoid flat numbers like $20. Price at $19.95 or $29.97, those endings convert better. Keycap 3. Boost your average order value. Offer free shipping over $50 and add upsells or cross-sells so customers spend more per order. A higher order value means you can spend more on ads and still keep strong margins. Keycap 4. Factor in all costs. Include product cost, platform fees, like Shopify or eBay, payment processing, and ad spend before setting your selling price. Instead of juggling spreadsheets, plug your numbers into the SellerCenter Dropshipping Profit Calculator. Enter your product cost, ad budget, shipping cost, and selling price, and it instantly shows your profit per sale and exact margin. Whether you're on Shopify, Etsy, or eBay, this free tool removes the guesswork and keeps your margins healthy. Getting your pricing right is the difference between a struggling store and a thriving business. Use large margins, smart psychological pricing, upsells, and most importantly, calculate your profits before you launch. To make this effortless, head over to sellercenter.io/dropshipping profit calculator and start using the free dropshipping profit calculator today. It's fast, free, and can help you price every product for maximum profit from day one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the next dropshipping strategy. Here's to building a profitable dropshipping business. See you in the next video.